everyone. Let us share a very easy recipe, avocado toast, and top it up with some strawberries and a cup of coffee. It will put a smile on your face. Start with 2 toasts. Put some butter or olive oil if you like. Spread it on the toast. Just put it on, it's okay. No need to spread. And then we're going to put it into the air fryer. Air fry it for 5 minutes under 325 temperature. Eggs. Make sure you have a hot pan, and then we're going to crack 2 eggs in it. Okay, you can do more, but we're going to make 2 for today. I'm going to make 2 toasts and 2 avocado toasts in this recipe. Once you have the eggs ready to the desired cooking temperature, leave there for a while and cut off your avocado. When the toast is ready, take it out from the air fryer and be careful, it's hot, and I'm going to put it on this board so that I can prepare it. So toast ready, and I'm going to put next the eggs that's fried to perfection. I like it to be a little bit like bull's eye, a little bit soft in the yolk, but it's up to you. If you want it a little bit harder with the yolk all cooked, keep it there for a little bit more, and cut the avocado into half. Use a spoon to scoop it out, turn it around, and this is how you take it out easily. Remove the pit, and then do that for the other side. Again, scoop it out, put in a little spoon, and twist and turn, and then you have half of the avocado coming out as well. Now we have that ready. I'm gonna make it go to the other side and then just slightly cut it out with a knife. Very easy peasy. Okay, turn it around. Let's do the other toast. And okay, so delicious. It's at the right texture, a little soft, little hard. That's the best. Pepper on the top, sprinkle more if you like pepper like me. And then next, I'm gonna add a little sesame seed, black sesame seed, to make it so fragrant. And also, there's a lot of nutrient from black peppermint sesame seed. Little bit of sea salt, Himalaya sea salt, and go ahead and chop it all up. Now you can see it's ready in few minutes. Now you don't have to go to your favorite restaurant to eat your favorite breakfast. You can do it in minutes at home, and this is how you do it. Prep it like this, and I'm going to top it up with some strawberry just for the color and just a little bit of tinge of sweetness. And also, there's lots of antioxidants for strawberry. I'm going to add 4. This is for color. I'm going to slice it up with a small knife and make it all into small pieces for easy bites. Make your favorite coffee. And there you go. Your favorite breakfast in minutes. Alright? Check it out. And let me know in the comments below if you make this for your breakfast. If this is your favorite breakfast, let me know. I'm going to show you how to slice the little strawberries into thin slices. And there you go. You have it, and fan it out. That way it will look so beautiful, and it's almost fit for the king. Champion's breakfast, ladies and gentlemen. And you can make it in minutes. Make it for your breakfast this weekend or maybe every day. I did it for Monday, and I think you can do it too. Let me know in the comments below if you like this recipe. Like, share, subscribe, and make sure you subscribe because we're going to upload more videos because it's the last 2 months of the year. We're going to make an impact, make beautiful recipes for yourself daily. Alright, thank you guys. Signing off. Bye.